In this extreme weather outlook, I'll focus on the storms we're seeing through Queensland and New South Wales. We're seeing some of the heaviest rain in about a year in some areas, but there is the risk of flash flooding. But we'll take that flash flooding if it means we can get some good rain for our farmers and some rain trickling into our dams. Sydney was slammed by severe thunderstorms on Thursday evening. Not only heavy rainfall, we saw gusty winds and golf ball-sized hail through many western and northern suburbs. But that rainfall was intense. Mona Vale at one stage picked up 93 millimetres of rain in just 1 hour at roughly 9 p.m. Many other suburbs picked up more than 50 millimetres. The storm outbreak will continue through the weekend for central and southern Queensland and parts of New South Wales. This does represent drought relief for these areas, although the heavy rain is not reaching the far western parts of both states. But there is a risk of flash flooding continuing. Now, we have seen a severe heat wave through northern parts of the country through this week. It has gradually eased back over the past few days, although we're still seeing maximum temperatures over 40, that darker red, and over 35, the dark orange, for much of Queensland. So we have borderline low-intensity heat wave conditions, but conditions will continue to cool down over the next couple of days. And that's as we see onshore winds developing for Queensland and New South Wales. You can see the easterly airstreams, all this moisture is coming in from the Coral Sea and the Tasman Sea. That is not only dropping the temperatures, but also bringing the moisture for showers and storms. Here's the forecast rain. Friday, central and southern Queensland and far northern New South Wales. It is guaranteed we'll see severe storms with flash flooding in these areas. There's also the risk of damaging winds and hail. We could see supercell storms, which often produce giant hail and destructive winds. Now, on Saturday, this activity continues. It spreads slightly further west, though. So on the inland side of the Great Dividing Range, we are expecting some storms this weekend, particularly around central Queensland, the eastern Maranoa-Warrego district, and then continuing towards the east coast. Northeast New South Wales also expecting showers and storms, tending more to just some heavy rain down around the central part of the New South Wales coast with the odd thunderstorm. Looking at the forecast into Sunday, it's really more of the same. Showers and storms through central and southern Queensland, some good falls for the inland. And we are expecting a little low to form up. There it is, just off the New South Wales coastline, with enhanced rainfall around that system, potentially spreading right down to the south coast of New South Wales. That heaviest rain indicated by the red shading. So with a little bit of luck, most of the eastern seaboard will see some heavy rain over the next few days. Let's have a look at the totals then. Over 25 millimetres, the dark green for the coastline. However, localised heavier falls with thunderstorms and widespread falls of at least 50 millimetres for southern Queensland and northern New South Wales. And just finally, we're watching a monsoon low heading south from Papua New Guinea. Our models agree this system will be in the vicinity of northern Queensland early next week, potentially as a tropical cyclone, although it's still unclear what side of Cape York Peninsula this system will be lying. Off the east coast, but potentially off the west coast of Cape York Peninsula.